Here on the right is what we call smart grids. So smart grids allow you to see consistent information on different screens throughout the entire program. So in this case, we're looking at the customer list, and all of these things are available to us on the right-hand side. Now, if I go to do an invoice, we're going to see that same information. We're using the same grids throughout the program. And you can even update a lot of these things right from the grid. So here's SMS texting right here. If I wanted to have this person allow texting, I would check this on, and I can just do it right here instead of going to the edit screen. I'm going to turn that back off. We also have, I've redone the edit screen for customers too. Let's take a look at this one. And the same thing, we have the properties on the right-hand side here. So these are your smart grids, and they show up all over the place. They show up in purchase orders, so you can see inventory, stock, while you're in purchasing. Much easier now than having to kind of bounce back and forth between the inventory screen and the purchase order screen. They're in the invoicing screen. They're just all over the place. I was going to go ahead and do an invoice because that kind of leads us into some of the invoice screen improvements. So we'll close this off and do a customer sale. Yes, we do. Okay, so here's our customer screen. The customer screen has been kind of cleaned up, I think, a little bit. So it looks much cleaner, and there's been some changes in where things are. Most notably, notes. I'll show you notes in just a second. But again, here's our grids on the side here, so you can see kind of what's going on with that customer. If I go ahead and add an item of air curtain, if you click on stock, we can see all the information about stock for that item.